Welcome to our comparison of the Euhomy Compact Dryer 1.8 CU Fort and the Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer. Today, we'll explore their features, capacities, and power to determine which dryer is the best choice for your home. The Euhomy Compact Dryer offers a larger capacity and more drying modes, while the Euhomy 110 volts model boasts a see-through door for easy monitoring. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to capacity, the Euhomy Compact Dryer offers a larger 1.8 CU Fort space, allowing you to dry up to 10.5 pounds of wet clothes. In contrast, the Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer has a capacity of 1.5 CU Fort, suitable for 10 pounds of wet clothes. This difference can impact how much laundry you can dry at once, making the compact dryer a better choice for larger loads. Power is another critical factor in dryer performance. The Euhomy Compact Dryer operates at 1020W, providing faster drying times and more efficient energy use. On the other hand, the Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer runs at 850W, which may result in longer drying cycles. If speed is essential for you, the compact dryer is the clear winner in this category. Finally, let's look at the features. The Euhomy Compact Dryer offers 7 drying modes, including anti-wrinkle and eco mode, catering to various drying needs. In contrast, the Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer has 4 drying modes. While both models have stainless steel drums, the compact dryer provides more versatility in drying options, making it a better fit for different laundry types. In conclusion, both Euhomy dryers are excellent choices for compact living spaces. If you prioritize capacity and power, the Euhomy Compact Dryer is the better option. However, if you prefer a slightly lower price point and a see-through door for monitoring, the Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.